Guys, it's me, Kia Harris, and welcome to another plant potting therapy video. And as you read by the title, we getting rid of some gnats. I have been doing really well with not having any gnats. Like 2 years ago, the gnats were popping, and I tried every single remedy. Like I was Googling, searching, like what can I do to get rid of gnats? And like all these different remedies were not working until I found one product that is chef's kiss to all of the plant lovers or even the newbies. You don't want gnats. Like they're just so pesky, they're so annoying, and they just get in the way. Like if you have like a TV in your room like I do, or if you're on your laptop or on your phone, like gnats are attracted to light, so they're just so annoying. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you the secret of how to get rid of these pesky gnats just with one product. And yeah, I thought it would be helpful. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So the two main things that attract gnats is mostly the dark soil, but also the dampness of the soil. So when the soil is very damp and it's dark, they are just really attracted to that type of environment. Therefore, this is why we need to have something to put on our plants to prevent the annoyance of these pesky insects. Hey guys, it's voiceover Kia here, and yeah, these sticky traps are not only for gnats, but they're also for fruit flies as well, and you can get these on Amazon, and I'll link it in the description box below. But I like these because they come in so many variety of shapes and colors. I like black because it blends in, but in the previous time I used blue, so you'll see that in another video. And yeah, these are recyclable and they're long lasting, so you shouldn't have to replace it too much depending on how many gnats you have. So yeah. So you guys, this is an old sticky trap. It's about 50% full, so definitely been able to use. But I wanted to let you guys know, make sure you locate your sticky trap in a good location. Don't put it too close to your leaves because the adhesive will take your leaves off, and I've learned from prior experience. So anyway, but I love how this product is. Like it works for any size pot, and I'll make sure to link it in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me. Make sure you share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.